In this lesson, we're gonna learn how to run our React Native app on real Android device. So first you need to go to settings and press on my phone here. On your phone, it can be different than mine. So in some phones, you should to press on about me, okay? Now scroll down until you get the build number. Now let's press on build number multiple times like this. Now if you see here, you are now a developer. And if you go back and go to system, press on it and go to developer options, you can see it. Before you cannot see it until you enable the developer mode first, okay? So now let's press on developer options and go scroll down and press on USB debugging. Where is USB debugging? I think it's up here. Yes, it's here. Just enable it like this and press OK. Now if you open your terminal and just type Arab devices, you're gonna see here our device number. And you can now run your Android using Yarn Android like this. And if you didn't install Yarn yet, you can use nbx React Native run Android. But I prefer using Yarn. Okay. Now when you press on it, now look, you can see our app here. It's just loading. Now look, it's Hello World. Here's our app. And the log, and if you read this, if you see here, the logs have been moved. So if you want to see the logs, you need to press J to open the dev tools. So press J and select one or two for the app. For example, our app is com.howie.chatty. So let's press 2. Here's our new log and you can see the logs here.